So I was just going to ask: is door knocking? Is that the? I mean, just the average Joe schmo, no regular homeowner. Is that the primary vehicle for solicitation?
100%. Here's why.
Okay.
So I'm going to kind of help you understand it a little bit better because sometimes people are like, door knocking, that seems old fashioned, or does that even work? Here's the thing. If somebody wanted to, let's say that somebody didn't have hail damage and their roof was just old and they wanted a blue roof. They're like, I just really want a blue roof, right? What would they do? They'd get online, they'd search for a local contractor, they'd call you, right? Well, when a hailstorm hits, people scramble out and they look at the top of their car, right? Oh no, my Yukon.
Right.
But as far as their roof, they might glance up, see if there's any shingles blown off, is floating in the yard, and then they check their ceiling. I don't see any yellow stains. They're not calling you. Most
Right.
people don't even think about their roof, right? So
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
yeah,
Right.
it's crucial.
Okay.
Door knocking is
Okay.
wildly effective in this business, but people try to skirt around it because they don't like to door knock, so they try mailers and internet ads and SEO and all that stuff, but it doesn't make people pick up the phone because they don't think they have damage.
I tried all that with the real estate, and I've come to grips with my ability to employ creative avoidance for doing shit like that, making phone calls and door knocking. I've got past that. I didn't know if that was truly
right.
I mean, for this storm. I knocked doors the first day, and that was it. I think I had 13 contracts the first 2 days.
Yeah, that's awesome.
But yeah, okay. Well, that makes good sense then.
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, like that's just going to be the easiest way and the most proactive way for you to go out and just create leads. And it doesn't have to be like, listen, people in this industry, you hear them talking about knocking 100 doors a day and like going out there and beating the street. That's because they suck at door knocking. So they have to do a lot of it in order to get the results. Like we want you, here's what I teach people is, look, if you follow my method, you could knock doors for the first month or so to really fill your pipeline, but then you can just maximize referrals, and then every inspection that you do or contract you get signed, roof you get approved, roof that's going on, you just knock the little 6-pack right around there. Those are so easy. They're slam dunks. Hey, I just got off your next door neighbor's roof. Here's a picture of the roof. You guys are like 10 feet away. You might have damage just like them. You want me to just go ahead and take a look for it? Super easy.
Yeah, third party referrals. That's gold.
Absolutely.
You don't even have to do anything. That's what most of my stuff's been out here. Hey, we talked to so and so. She talked to you.
Yeah.
Come help us. So
bingo.
Yeah.
You got it.
Good there.
So you understand it. So basically, that's going to be like your lead generation section, and then the second section in the course is going to give you. It's all about closing. So you've got the word for word sales pitch. I give you the video.